Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to share Threads post to Instagram post feed. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up the Threads app. You can see that there are 4 buttons on the post, and here the last button indicates share button. So click on the share button. Here you can see a bunch of options. In order to post, you'll have to click on the post to feed button. Now click on the next button in the top right corner. Here you will be given various options to add filter and edit. I'm just gonna skip this part and click on next button. Again, I'll skip this part and proceed. Here the post has been shared to Instagram feed. And that is how you can share Threads post to Instagram post feed. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.